Good day everyone and welcome back. Previously we created this top view using the construction lines and taking reference from these two dimensions over here. So today we are going to draw these other two views using the top view created. Let's adjust the line properties over here, having the line weight to be 0.09 mm and the color of the line to be yellow to signify the construction line. Type line and enter to select the line tool. Now since the front view is viewed from this side of the top view, so from this angle we see the front view, meaning the width of the top view over here is the same width of the front view. Let's select line, then pick the corner of the top view and extend toward this direction, as we need the front view of the object to be on the top of the top view. Then pick the second corner and extend to the same direction. Then we need to have a base for this view, so let's draw a horizontal line somewhere over here. So this base is the same as this one from the front view. Now what we are left with is the height of the object, which is 60. Select the offset tool and type 60. Then pick the base line and position your cursor to the top side of the base and click. So now we have from here to here is 60 units. Then we have this dimension from here to here is 35 units. Alright? Now enter to exit the command, then enter again to re-specify the distance to 35 units. And this 35 is from top here to here. So we select the top construction line and position the cursor below it to have the line at 35 units. We now have both distance of 35 units and 60 units. Let's select the rectangle tool and change the line color to bilayer to have the white color and the line weight to be 0.3 mm. Pick the first corner, then the other corner at the bottom to form the rectangle. Select the line tool again and draw the middle line. Press enter to exit the command. As for the side view, it's a bit tricky, as we have two sides. We have this side and this side. Clearly, this view is from this side. Let me explain. This view is viewed from this side because this part is this one over here, and this part is this part over here. While if we view the side from this angle, it should look like this. So, if we look at this side, then this section over here is this one, and this part is this one from the side view. Okay? Now, normally we call this side east side view, and the other side is west side view. And since we don't have this view, then we need to draw the west view of the object. Let's delete the east one, and then we'll take reference from this side of the top view, select line tool, and adjust its properties as construction line. as we did moments ago. Then we click on this corner and extend a horizontal line. Excuse me. Then this point and extend again, and the middle point as well. Now, if we draw a vertical line, we can simply offset from that line since we know the height is 60 units. So let's offset 60 units. Then we can offset 25 units as shown from the isometric view. Press enter to exit the command, then enter again to re-specify 25 units distance. If we select the line and change its properties for the final drawing lines, we'll find that the shape looks like the side view, but not at the correct position. And we want it to be positioned over here sitting upright. So what we can do in this situation is delete this drawing, and when we select, notice if we click and drag to the right side, a blue box will appear and will only select the white lines, while when we click and drag to the left, it will select all lines including the construction line. So let's delete this drawing. We will also delete the construction lines we extended except for this vertical one, as this vertical line is this line over here. And then we need to have a diagonal line from the top point that will intersect the horizontal lines from the top end to the bottom one. Type the line command, then pick the top corner. One thing before I forget. Notice that I have been changing these properties over and over as I want to stick to the basics, but later on I will dedicate a video on how to preset these properties using the layer panel, which will enable you to select from the drop-down menu and select, and it will change the properties with one click. So stay tuned for that video. Let's select the line tool and pick this corner. Then I would like this line to go this way. Okay? Press F8 to turn off ortho mode, then I can manually set the angle, which you can see in this small gray box, and it says 45 degrees, but unfortunately it won't be accurate. So instead, type less than 315, because this area is located on the fourth quadrant of the graph. If I click and extend towards the first quadrant, I will type less than 45 and it will extend towards the first quadrant. Similarly, if I want to extend to this side, we type less than 135. And if we want to extend towards the third quadrant, we can type less than 225. I will dedicate this quadrant part in a separate video for better understanding. In our case, we need this side of the quadrant. And where it intersects, we can draw a vertical line. Let's not forget about turning on the ortho mode, then extend upwards to intersect with the above lines. So now we have this part of the object. Let's select the line tool again and extend a horizontal line up to where it intersects with the diagonal line. Then draw a vertical line. Finally, select the line tool and change its properties to the final drawing setting. Then follow through and draw the shape, and you can see it matches the one on the drawing. Delete the construction lines, and that's it. So now we have the front view and the side view and the top view. You may notice that I skip to explain some of the commands which I do, such as move and mirror, as we did with the side view explanation, but I will upload videos dedicated to take you through the essential tools of AutoCAD. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.